Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. We have this lovely 2018 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive for sale. This was actually a new vehicle at one time in our inventory, and we plucked it out of our new inventory, and it was in loaner car service, so it was loaned out to our Infiniti service customers. That's one of the benefits of being a new or certified pre-owned Infiniti customer, is you get complimentary Infiniti loaner cars for extended service days. So after about a year, we retired from loaner car service, and now it's available for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. It's been in our care its whole life. Very gently used, only 8,245 miles on it right now. Very well equipped with features. Has beautiful wood interior accents, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, rear parking camera, Bluetooth hands-free phone system, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener. 3.0 turbocharged engine, makes 300 horsepower, matched with 7-speed automatic transmission with a rear-wheel drive base platform and all-wheel drive performance. This is a luxury car that's also very fun to drive, and it's certified pre-owned as well, so you get all the benefits you normally do with a new Infiniti purchase, but obviously you're not going to pay that new car price with certified pre-owned. And this one also comes with a lifetime powertrain warranty, so you have a lifetime warranty on the engine and transmission. That's something extra that we do. It's not from Infiniti, and that warranty is good at any Infiniti store. You just have to do the recommended maintenance and keep maintenance records to keep that lifetime warranty. A really nice color combination on black. Features an intelligent all-wheel drive system, perfect for wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it sends 100% of the power to the rear wheels. That gives you better fuel economy. It gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. And it also helps a little bit with premature tire wear, which is sometimes an issue of all-wheel drive vehicles. But as soon as those rear wheels start to slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Really enhances your wet weather performance, and if you're going to drive in the snow, you're definitely going to want all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it get interior and exterior refreshening. So the tail lights, the front end has been slightly restyled. You have a new design on the alloy wheels. So it is looking better than ever. And then for 2016, the Q50 got a new VR30 twin turbocharged engine, replacing the aging but very awesome 3.7 liter V6. The 3.7, as great as it was, is getting long in the tooth, not quite as refined and fuel efficient as some of the latest and greatest competition. Infiniti had to step up their game, and they came out with this new VR30 engine, twin turbos, makes 300 horsepower, very fuel efficient with the help of direct injection. This Q50 also comes with a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with your vehicle that you purchased from us. That's why we do that. It's very simple, no restocking fees. It's 100% money back within 5 days of the original purchase date, just as long as you don't put more than 200 miles on it. And that's on any used or new car that we sell at Infiniti of Tacoma. And for those of you who value Japanese build quality, all our Japanese brands are not made in Japan anymore. But the Q50 is one of the few Infinitis that's still built and assembled in Japan, so if you value the craftsmanship and attention to detail of those Japanese car factories, the Q50 is the real deal. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.